This is an arts integrated unit, which means that we blend arts learning with curricular learning. And this unit also has a very exciting social emotional component to it. We are learning about science and technology. So a big part of this unit is learning about the brain and the brain waves that we produce when we're having different feelings and experiences, and then how technology helps us interpret those through EEG technology, which is a headband that you wear, and also it's expressed through electronic music. When the kids are there using the ME station and they have the EEG headband on, they're hearing music, so they're hearing sort of changes. So the alpha waves are sort of our calmer waves. They're going to hear calmer music. If they get excited or they feel a little more anxious, they're going to hear a little busier, maybe more dissonant music, right? So they can see what's going on and then try some things to change it and see what happens.
It makes you realize what you feel, and it can even build up the emotions even more. Let's say you're feeling stressed, it might get rid of it, or it might make you feel it. Hey, I'm feeling stressed, and make you realize you need to calm down.
When students use the ME station, they can hear the music change, and they can see the music change, and the combination of that, the students can feel the changes in their body. And so, after using the station, most students feel calm and relaxed, and then this transfers over to how students manage their emotions throughout the school day and after school's over.
Could they change the way their brain was working? Could they hear it in the music if they did some deep breathing, or if they tried to solve some math problems? Could they hear it in the music so that they're aware of what's going on in their brain? So if they've been doing that throughout the residency, and then in the classroom workshops, we've been building towards a composition where the band is going to actually write music themselves for what they think these different brain waves would sound like.
I think percussion should be alpha. Actually, not, flute should be alpha, and then percussion should be beta.
Each section of the band got together, so the flutes got together, the clarinets got together, the trombones got together, and they had to compose a short little phrase that represented a brainwave.
1, 2, percussion, go!
So what we're hoping that kids will take away from this experience is that they will understand better how their body and their brain are connected. When you start to feel a little anxious or a little angry or a little out of control, there are some things that you can do. You can pause, you can breathe, you can visualize, you can listen to calming music. There are a lot of things that you can do to help control and affect change in what's going on, that you're not out of control, you're not out of the driver's seat. There are things that we can do to affect change in our own brains and bodies.